At the top right corner, go to Share, and at the bottom, click on Template Link. Now, this feature is only for pro users, so if you are on the free plan and if you want to create a template link for your customers to have, then you would need to upgrade to the pro plan to be able to use this feature. So right here, I'm going to create a template link. And now this link has been created and has been copied to my clipboard, as you can see here. So what I can do is go back to home page in Canva. I'm going to create a new document. So you can format this however you want in regards to asking your customers to click on this link. So you can have an introduction where you say, thank you for your purchase. Here, you can click on this link to access your template. So I'm just going to create a real short sentence here. So something like this. So I can click on the text itself, come over to the top and click on the three dots, go to the bottom and click on link, and then just paste the link here. And then once that is done, you can come over to Share, Download, and select PDF. And then download this to your computer. And this is what you would upload to Etsy. And so when a customer purchases your product, they can receive this PDF document. And then once they open the PDF document, this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to have an introduction where you are giving them access to either edit or view the template, so they can do either or. If they want to edit the template, all they have to do is click on Edit Template. And the customer now can edit this template to their own specific needs. So they can change text, change color, change photos, whatever. So as long as they have a Canva account, they can do the edits here on Canva. So this is especially useful if you're selling Canva templates and you want to give your customers full range of freedom to be able to edit this template to their own specific needs. And at any time you want to get rid of the template link, you don't want to give access to the template that you create anymore. So for whatever reason, you're not selling it anymore, or you just do not want to give access anymore, you can always come back to the template link. Right now it says live. And you can always come back here and just hit delete template link. So it's going to confirm if you want to delete the template link. And people cannot use this link anymore to edit to their own custom needs. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.